Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making African drop donut, and this is a very delicious snack, very easy to make, eaten in most part of Africa. And remember, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. The ingredients we will be needing are 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of water. Don't forget an oil to fry. In a clean bowl, break the 2 eggs. Mix the egg. Add the sugar and continue mixing. Add the milk. Hi guys, if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you. In a bowl with the flour, don't forget it's 3 cups of flour. Add the baking powder. Add the nutmeg. Add the butter. Don't worry guys, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Mix all the dry ingredients and the butter together. When the mixture feels like breadcrumbs, it is time for us to add the wet ingredients. Go ahead and add the wet ingredients a little bit at a time, and then continue to mix. When mixing, you could use a wooden spoon or your hands or even a mixer if you like. Some people just pour the whole mixture in a mixer and mix all together. It's your choice. I just like to do it the old-fashioned way. Remember, I said we would need 1 cup of water, which I didn't show in the ingredients. Right now I'm going to add a cup of water and continue mixing. Your dough should be like the consistency of puff puff, or a little bit harder than puff puff. If you have all the ingredients together, I will advise before you start mixing, just go ahead and start heating up your oil for frying, since we don't have to keep the mixture to rise like puff puff. My oil was already on the stove heating. I already fried the first batch. I didn't put the video in this video because I didn't add a lot or enough. I just wanted to see how hot the oil was, if it was enough or it was too hot. Remember, when you're frying your donut, the oil don't have to be too hot. Put the heat on medium high and you will be good, because donut get burned so fast even when it's not cooked inside. So I usually cut my donut the same way I do puff puff. You can use a spoon to cut it or even ice cream scooper, or you just go the easiest way. Like for me, the easiest way is using my hands, like you see me doing there. Look at that, guys. Look at the color. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh. It's tempting to eat. So when it's golden brown, we know it's done. But if it just got burned, immediately you put it in the oil, no, it's not ready inside and you will have a hard time, or it might even go to waste. So I'm gonna fry the second batch. Try to hasten the video a little bit here. I was gonna do the second batch with the spoon, but I forgot. But like I said, it's not hard. You just scoop with a spoon and drop in the oil. If you've watched this video to this level, I am guessing you learned something. Please don't forget to like my video, comment what you would like to see me make next, and most importantly, please subscribe. You know it's free, you don't have to pay any money. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. And there is our donut, guys. I promise you, try this. You will love it. It is sweet, it is milky, it's delicious. Your kids will love it for snack. I'm sure you will like it. You will love it. What am I saying? Try it and let me know how it tastes like.